there are clear indication of cooperation between Taliban and TTP. There is clear indication, evidence of Taliban and Ansarullah for Tajikistan. There's clear evidence of Taliban and the other terrorist groups, Al-Qaeda, for example. So what they do, they want to have a territory that they can operate, they can maneuver, they can recruit, they can train, and they can export. So here to control, and from there to export the same ideology. For example, according to all the evidence and the data which government of Pakistan shared, the attacks in Pakistan since the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan increased 500%. The encouragement, such sort of a victory of the Taliban to other terrorist groups, it's unbelievable. So when they see that if we keep fighting, killing, commit these suicide bombing, kill innocent people, commit all these atrocities, at the end, a superpower like America will come at Doha or somewhere else, will sit with us, talk with us, accept us as the reality, accept us as the only choice, and give us $70 million a week so we don't kill the people or starve them to death. Why wouldn't TTP continue with their ambitious plan when they see their brother next door did the same thing and achieved it?